Hello guys, today I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra and I'm going to show you how to fix blurry photos. So, at first you need to prepare yourself a cloth. It can be soft cloth, it can be actually wet cloth, here doesn't matter. It has to be soft. It has to be soft and either wet or dry. Here we've got camera lens. Clean this with your cloth. It of course always recommended to use dry microfiber cloth to wipe down everything, but here it's not a matter of great importance. Of course you can actually use wet one, but without excess water, so that only cloth is wet, just idle wet. I mean, not everything is wet, don't cover your phone in water. And if you've got any lens protectors, remove them. Third-party glass or plastic camera lens protectors often misalign with the laser autofocus sensor, causing the camera to continuously hunt for focus or create severe lens flare and haze. So that should be it. Let's check. Now you need to check if it works. If it works for you, that's nice, but if it still doesn't work, still, you need to now go even further. Disable the high resolution mode. So open the camera up, and here now you need to tap this icon right here. You need to have set either 50 or 12 megapixels, not 200 megapixels. And of course, remember that it needs to be disabled for moving objects. Standard resolution uses 16 and 1 pixel binning, drastically increasing the light sensitivity and shutter speed to prevent motion blur. Number 3. Use focus enhancer, which is macro mode, for close-ups. So you need to bring your camera close to a subject, and let me for example show it like this. And here we've got our focus enhancer. Here we've got it. Focus enhancer is this flower icon right here. You need to tap it. Ensure it's on, and then everything should be working fine. If it doesn't work fine, you need to open this icon right here, this square icon, and tap this gear icon right here. Now you need to tap photo enhancer and here tap prioritize QLE instead of setting the prioritize speed. So what else can I actually show you? You need to find here focus section, and here we've got tracking autofocus. Enable it, and now we should be done. Everything should be okay. But if you still get blurry photos, you need to contact device support and say that your camera is broken. Bye.